Figma Make capabilities can't stop surprising us, so today I went grocery shopping to put Figma Make to the test by creating an app that utilizes AI to analyze a picture of a receipt and tell us where can we get the same items on a cheaper price. And we're creating this app in less than 10 minutes. Hello, MJ here, and today we're testing Figma Make, but most likely, if you're starting to work on these proof of concepts, you probably already have something in mind, like maybe some layouts, maybe some colors, maybe some logos, or something like that, which is why we are starting this app with Figma Design first. Okay, this is just a POC or proof of concept, so our app will be very simple, just 2 screens, and I like starting with a color palette. And this will be just a simple pink and a very simple blue as well. We'll add a frame and let's just make it smaller because this is just a quick test. So this will do. And actually, let's just add these colors to our variables instead, really quick, because we don't want to go just back and forth with all the colors. And if we do this right away, everything will be linked together. And in case we need to change anything later, or in case our proof of concept gets approved, we are already taking into account the best practices. So we'll have our main color and we'll call this other color maybe just an accent color. Then let's add a simple header with just a pink line underneath. I think it would be nice to also have at least a logo here, so it looks kind of an actual app. And this will be some type of price comparison app. So let's find an interesting font for this. Remember, we're going to take the photo of the receipt and then the app is going to read it through and gives us a better price in other stores. Okay, I think this is fine. I think at least let's just add a menu here. That should be okay. Let's make this our pink accent as well. Then we'll add auto layout because I feel Figma Make always takes designs better when they have it. So ultimately, we'll have everything within an auto layout or several auto layouts. Okay, let's say maybe just take a photo. Yeah, let's do that and use our accent color for the font from our variables. Then maybe some type of instruction. Let's just say take a photo of your receipt to compare prices. The wording is a bit redundant right now, but we can change it later. We're just trying to test Figma Make and the camera today. Okay, we're adding a rounded square to be the photo preview area, let's say. And I hope Figma Make understands this, which I think it will. I do think it will. Then at the very end, let's just add a continue button. So this will be the button that the user will press after taking a picture to confirm and go to the next screen. And the second screen, let's just call it compare, and let's clear everything so we can add our title. Maybe something like compare. Yeah, I mean, clear as day, I guess. Then let's include some kind of example, and we're just going to use generic language. So this subtitle will be store 1, then inside we're having some generic items with prices, and we'll duplicate this as well. And we're using generic language because we want to make sure and verify that Figma Make is actually reading our receipt and using the words on the receipt. Okay, it's looking simple, but it's looking great, perfect for our test. So let's copy these 2 frames and create a new make. Okay, we're ready to prompt. And let's say something like, as an expert UI UX designer, create a mobile app with the provided screenshots. In the first screen, the app should allow the user to take a picture of a receipt, Once the user clicks continue, the app should read the items of the receipt and show a second screen with a list of 3 other places where the user can buy the items at a cheaper price. It should also provide the name of the item and the price. The name of the item should match the items on the receipts. And yes, I'm putting this because I want to be really clear of what I want. And let's see what Figma Make does. Okay, running, and after a few minutes, we got our prototype. But of course, we want to see it in action from our phone itself. So to do that, we'll need to publish this right here. So let's add a name and let's just click publish right here. Then this is the link we are going to copy, and we're going to use this link in our phone. Okay, here it is. Let's take the picture. Okay, then let's continue. And oh wait, okay, what are these? Organic milk is not even part of the list. I don't even buy these things. Okay, I don't think it's really reading the picture. So let's see if we can actually fix it. Okay, let's complain a bit to Figma Make and let's say this app is not reading the receipt. Please make sure the app reads the items on the receipt and show the name exactly as read in the photo. Okay, let's run this, and okay, it's done. So for this change to actually happen in our phone, we'll need to update the link. So let's click here. And okay, let's try it again and see if it actually works now. Okay, take a picture of the receipt and let's wait a few more seconds. Any time now. And okay, that was not a lot, but this looked like it's working now. Okay, let's check it out. We have chicken. I bought it for $16. That's a lot. But it says here that I can buy it at Target at $13. Very funny because this receipt is from Target, but this is just a POC, so it's fine. Then we have salads. I bought them for $3.69 and at Walmart is $2.95. Maybe I should start buying some things at Walmart now. Now remember, this is just dummy data. It is not real data, but it works. Figma Make is fully capable of taking a picture in real time and analyze it by using a technology called OCR, or optical character recognition, which is basically reading any text it sees in the photo. I made an example that reads these grocery receipts, but you can make a quick prototype that reads anything really. Maybe it reads a contract that gives you the summary of it, or I don't know, maybe it reads a package for the nutritional facts and tells you if it contains something you're allergic to. There are just so many possibilities with this. I can't wait to see what all of you do with this. And that's it for this video. Give a like if you learned anything and see you next time.